Yo guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed part 4 of the PBR build. I'm here in my shed. I just wanted to say something real quick. Sorry if you hear a lot of wind, it's really windy outside. I hope the roof doesn't go flying off. I have my heater on because it's been really cold. Sorry for any background noise, but this is how the PBR is sitting right now. I've been working on it. Next episode we will put the battery in there. I ordered a battery and we're gonna see if this is going to start. A quick cost update: I paid 50 for the engine plus the carburetor, and the other small stuff I'll have to check in my Excel sheet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to raffle this bike away. You can buy a ticket on my website. It's not going to be up right now yet, but I'll inform you guys when the tickets go for sale. And what I'm going to do is, wow, don't mind my hair guys, but I'm going to keep 50% of the earnings of the raffle and I'm going to put that towards a new project, and 50% of the earnings are going to go to a good cause of my choice. So if you want to support me, if you want to support a good cause, then buy a ticket and you can win this bike if you're lucky. Why am I doing this? Well, I just decided it was the best thing to do with this bike. It's just an idea right now. I'm going to work it out and you guys will have a lot more information when I do work it out, but that's just what I'm going to do. Hope you guys like that idea. Hope you guys like the episode and I'll see you guys next time.